that shit. Okay, let me just talk first.
Okay.
Wait, whose channel is this for?
Mine.
I need you some for my channel too.
But I don't have a TikTok one.
You don't even have a TikTok.
I'm about to do it. I'm about to create my channel. I already got it. I need to just create it.
Everybody be quiet, because when I'm on the camera, it's professional. Okay.
Girl, I would smack yo.
Hi guys, welcome back to Marijiah's channel. If you don't know who I am Taylor Lachelle. I have a channel, Taylor Lachelle.
She my brother.
So y'all should definitely follow me. But today I'm doing a channel takeover and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do certain TikTok dances, because one of my TikTok videos almost went viral, kind of went viral.
It did go viral.
Wait, the TikTok video or the TikTok YouTube video?
My TikTok YouTube
The
video
tutorial
has 80,000 views right now. So I don't know why, but it does.
That's right here.
I am going to teach these two people how to do 2 TikTok dances.
Because I'm not a TikToker at all.
Yes, so here we go. The first TikTok we're gonna do is to Snitch 9, and it is so how does it go? It goes the bump ba bum bump ba bump don't stupid. That's what we're gonna do.
Drum.
But okay, so
20 minutes.
So on the first move, we're gonna put the song at the end, but I'm just gonna let y'all see what the dance moves are. So the very first move, you wanna assume the gun position like this.
Ooh, I burped, excuse me. Oh, that's one the wrong way.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
so you are not being professional right now.
I was trying to get my life together over
Are you
here.
really serious?
Yes, scoot over.
Gun, got it.
Well, it's not my channel, so I guess I'm really here.
Right.
Okay, you assume the position like this. So the first pow.
Come on.
Jalen can't fit in the video. Unless you wanna get it?
I don't know. Jalen, the videos that both went viral on our pages, low-key, both had Jalen in it. So they must really like him. So he really need to be in this video.
Come on,
Somebody need to bust a move and do something, because I'm hungry. So, the first position is going to be the first pow. Jalen already know. I already taught Jalen. But you go, pow, then you turn, and then you do 3 pows. 1, 2, 3. Got it. After that, you go back straight motion. And you go cross, clap. Right, so let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Clap.
I'm the only one that really don't know this dance.
Got it? So, after that, you go. Do-dum, dum, dum. Right. So, it's back, over, doom. Do-dum, dum, dum. Got it? So, let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Clap. Boom, boom, boom. Dum, dum, dum. Got it?
You're a really tall person.
Okay. So after the doom, 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 you clap. Arm up. Swish, swish. Swish, swish. Only do it twice. Swish, swish. Then you pop it. And whoa.
Oh, okay.
That's all.
See,
Pop
that's
and
why I was
whoa.
messing up at. When you first taught me, I was still doing like this. And
I know, that's what I said,
like
why
that.
your arm's still up.
So you only do this twice.
Yes.
Like 1, 2.
Yeah.
Pop.
Pop. Okay.
Yes. So let's do it again, slow.
Okay.
5,
Trying to
6,
smack Chandler
7, 8. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Clap. Back over doom. Doom, doom, doom. Clap. Swish, swish, pop, and whoa.
Okay.
Should we do it
Yeah,
again?
you can't see my
Okay,
arm.
should
so
we?
what I'm doing.
5,
Sorry.
6, 7, 8. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Clap. Back over. Pow. Boom, boom, boom. Clap. Swish, swish. Up and whoa.
Did I do that right?
We got it. Yep. So let's try with music.
Stupid.
Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for
I got a
this?
white arm and a black arm, like Michael Jackson.
Okay.
Messed up with the thing I was doing.
Okay, about to start. Okay. I'm still in position. Oh, snap!
I was just doing what I was
Did
doing.
we get it?
I don't think
Did
so.
we get
I
it?
think so. Everybody did it.
I was just doing what y'all was doing.
It looked like everybody did it for what I
Yeah.
saw.
I look like we did.
1, 2, 3.
Oh. Man.
Yeah. Let's do it one more time for the people, for the culture.
Go on.
Y'all ready? Boom!
I don't
Got
think I'm doing that right. I'm almost sure I'm
You
not
should
doing it
record
right.
it again for your
So
TikTok.
the next one,
No.
the next one is going to be this one.
Didn't
I don't know
even
this
know this the fuck.
Oh, y'all know this one.
Wait,
This one,
Okay.
I know that one.
So it's break it out with
Oh, I just saw
something, something, something.
Well, get out.
So you go, yeah.
You don't want to be in it?
That's
I
that
signed
one.
up for 2 dances. I don't know this one.
I don't either. I'm about to learn it.
Well, what is this dance called? It's something with a B. Man, you can't.
So I go back. A lot of people do this different, but the way I do it is back over swoosh.
Back.
Okay,
Okay, hold on. Back over. Back over.
Is this difficult?
and then and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, I went the wrong way.
Wait, which way are we going first?
This way.
Oh, right.
I got it.
Slightly. Do it again.
Okay, so you go 5, 6, 7, 8. Go until Oh, they whoa at the end too. Forgot the part.
Wow, we look like the Hype House.
I think I'm doing the first part wrong.
No, you're not.
This back. Yeah.
It's really just.
Back.
You do whatever you want.
I do forward.
Some people go forward.
I go forward.
Some people grab and go back. Some people just go back and slide.
Okay.
I just go back. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. And whoa. Got it.
Are you gonna play the music now?
Yes.
Now we're gonna deal with music. Sean T.
We got it. See, that one was easy.
Yeah, that was not that bad.
Okay, let's teach you one more. Let's teach you the hard one. What? Let's teach you
What
drop
hard
top. Drop top. Drop top.
Oh Lord.
Oh my god.
Pull
Drop.
up in the space.
Drop top.
Ooh.
Wait. Drop. Wait, what?
Drop.
It's top.
Yeah.
It's
drop, top, flip,
flop.
flop. Pull up in the space.
Oh lord. I'm about to
So this one. The first moves are.
We can't teach you with the didn't even know.
Oh no, that one's old. Nobody do that no more. Okay,
What?
so this one. The first move. Drop. Drop. Top. So it's drop, top. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, top. You can do this one, Jen.
I'll let you teach it since I
So,
already know how to do it.
5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, top, flip, flop. So it's drop, top, flip, flop. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, top.
Dang! Joe, you doing this one? No.
That's too much for my brain to process.
Okay, so 5, 6,
Joe,
7.
get back in.
He trying to pop a squat. Okay.
I was trying to see what other dances I had on my.
Okay, so you go
because
5,
they
6,
got
7, 8.
toes.
Drop, top, flip, flop. I messed up.
Oh, you don't hold it there. You just.
Oh Lord, where am I
Yeah,
at?
scoot up. Well, yeah, there we go. Okay, so you go
So,
5,
drop.
6, 7, 8. Drop, top,
top,
flip,
flip,
flop.
flop.
You punch out.
Okay.
Just
Drop.
don't hit me.
Top.
5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, top, flip, flop. Okay, we got that.
You would go right.
You go 1, 2.
You can go right, left. Pull up. In.
So,
You go the way that your arm goes. So pull up.
So if this knee touch this knee, this knee touch this knee. Y'all can't see, but this touch this knee, this go this knee. So let's start from the beginning.
Okay.
Oh wait, and then you go
Like woo.
yeah, woo. Okay.
Okay.
So 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, top, flip, flop.
I just punched myself in the face. Then what?
Oh, like this. Okay.
And then you go came with drip drop.
Ooh.
So it's whoa,
Came.
clap, pause, wait. Yeah. Whoa, clap, wait. Yeah.
Came with drip drop.
Hold on.
1, 2, 3. Got it? 1, 2, 3. You got that?
Wait, it's really 1, 2, 3.
See, I'm about to die.
Dang.
Drop, 2.
So when the camera's about to die, so we had to improvise.
You need to get up here.
Y'all ready?
Kelly need to get right there.
Drop, top, flip, flop. Came with drip drop.
Ooh, I'm gonna mess up myself.
No, whoa. Yeah, I think y'all got it?
Don't try.
Because we missed out on a few parts, but I'm pretty sure you guys can catch on after what we just did. So let me put it in dummy terms. Drop, top, flip, flop. Put it, something,
Space.
and
Whoa.
came with drip,
Wait.
drop. 1, 2, 3. And go over swoosh, go over bang. Hit it over, mop, 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 no, whoa. That's how you do it. Okay.
We gotta hurry up.
Okay, we gotta do this really, really fast because the camera gonna die. That's how you do that.
I messed up, but it's okay. I recover.
Listen, mama, that's how you do that shit.
You can't even.
And that's the end. Bye.